Best modifications for a 2026 Subaru WRX STI, turbocharged power unleashed. The 2026 Subaru WRX STI continues the legacy of rally dominance and street aggression that has defined the STI badge for decades. Known for its turbocharged boxer engine, symmetrical all-wheel drive, and rally-tuned suspension, the WRX STI is built for enthusiasts who live for speed, grip, and control. But while it's already potent from the factory, the 2026 STI is also a perfect canvas for performance modifications that can take it from quick to outright ferocious. At its heart lies the 2.4-liter FA24 turbocharged flat-4 engine, delivering around 330 horsepower in stock form. Thanks to its robust internals and improved turbo setup, the FA24 offers massive tuning potential. The first step for enthusiasts is usually a high-performance intake system from Cobb, AEM, or Perrin, which enhances airflow and amplifies the signature turbo whoosh. Pair that with a turboback exhaust system from NVIDIA, Tomei, or HKS, and you'll free up horsepower while unleashing that deep, rally-inspired rumble that STI fans crave. To extract the full potential from these upgrades, an ECU tune is a must. With platforms like Cobb AccessPort V4 or ECU Tech, tuners can adjust boost levels, ignition timing, and fueling for optimal performance. A custom tune can safely push output to 400+ horsepower, transforming the 2026 STI into a serious street weapon. For even more power, consider an upgraded turbocharger, front-mount intercooler, and high-flow fuel injectors, a combination that can push the limits of the car's rally-bred drivetrain. Handling is one of the STI's strongest suits, but it can be further enhanced with adjustable coilover suspension systems from KW, BC Racing, or Öhlins. These setups allow fine-tuning for both daily driving and track days. Add stiffer sway bars, end links, and strut braces to improve cornering balance and reduce body roll. Lightweight forged wheels from Ray's Engineering or Enkei wrapped in sticky performance tires like Michelin Pilot Sport 4S can further sharpen response and grip. Braking upgrades are essential for high-performance builds. A Brembo or AP Racing Big Brake Kit, combined with slotted rotors and ceramic pads, ensures consistent stopping power under extreme conditions. Braided stainless steel brake lines improve pedal feel, giving drivers total confidence during spirited mountain runs or track sessions. Styling-wise, the 2026 STI already looks menacing, but enthusiasts can amplify its rally heritage with a carbon fiber hood, front splitter, rear diffuser, and adjustable wing. For a true motorsport aesthetic, add rally mud flaps, wide fenders, and STI livery decals. Inside, upgrades like Recaro bucket seats, short-throw shifters, and Alcantara steering wheels bring a race-ready feel to the cockpit. Whether on tarmac or gravel, the 2026 Subaru WRX STI is built to perform. With the right modifications, it evolves into an all-weather performance machine capable of embarrassing supercars while maintaining its signature rally DNA.